Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to replace your refrigerator's water filter. As you can see, my filter is right here on top right corner. Yours could be somewhere else in the fridge, so if you don't know where to find it, just pause the video. I'll show you a picture. So once you find it, it will say push. You push on it, you'll see the old filter right here. And to remove it, it's pretty simple. As you can see, it will look for an arrow. It will point to the left. So turn it to the left. And be prepared, bring a towel or something and put it right there. Water might come out, so put it under there and grab the filter and just twist it to the left. It's a little hard for some reason. It shouldn't be that hard, but once you twist it, see water's coming out. Clean it out, and that's how it looks, guys. Put the old filter to the side. Get your new filter. As you can see, my old filter right here, it came with a film like this. Just remove it, clean it out. As you can see, the old filter right here, all I have to do, align these right here into the holes and just play around with it until you feel for it. And then you're gonna twist it to the right, and you're gonna hear that sound, the hissing sound. After that, all you do, close it back up, and you're done, guys. The last thing you want to do, get a cup or a bowl and just filter your water for a whole minute. You hear that? The filter is gonna try filter it out, okay guys? Just do it for a whole minute. So guys, after you filtered your water out for a whole minute, your filter should stop making these hissing sounds because all the air is gone, and you should be done. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please comment below. I will gladly help you out. Thank you for watching.